I've made a pattern piece for the backstay interfacing, which is a piece of fabric that goes on the back of the jacket to give it some structure. And I've taken my original pattern piece for the back, and what I've done is I've taken a measurement from the neck down to a point, and that's 8 inches, or roughly just over 20 centimetres in length from the neck. And then I've taken it again from just under the armhole here to this point, when that's 3 inches or 7.5 centimetres. And I've just done a curve. I've joined the line up and I've curved it towards here. Now from that I made a pattern piece, and here's the pattern piece that I've then attached to some muslin. It's cotton muslin, and then I've cut that piece out, as you can see, of the cotton muslin. Now it's important to make sure that you use the straight grain top to bottom on this piece of fabric, because you want it to have good stability top to bottom and side to side. And the idea is that it holds and gives structure to the rear of the jacket from the shoulder just down to below the armhole. I wanted to show you how I closed this back dart on the back stay fabric. What I did was I cut out the actual dart and then brought these two edges together and closed that using a piece of iron-on interfacing that I steamed on and pressed on to that to hold those two edges together. And then that gives you the correct distance across the shoulder for that that piece of stay, and without having any bulk from the dart in there at all, because you've basically cut it out. Here's the cotton muslin that I've used to make the backstay for this particular jacket, and you can clearly see this section here where I've closed the dart up, and I've used iron-on interfacing to do that, and I've used a stay stitch around the neck and also down the arm and along the side just to the bottom there, and I've done exactly the same on that side. So that forms the backstay for this jacket.